Alright, I'm outside here with the WUBEN P45R, just to kind of give you an idea of its capabilities and how far the beam can throw and what the beam pattern looks like. So, these trees are about 60 feet away. So the top is probably another 40, so we're about 100 feet. Trees getting down here are probably 150 feet away. You can see it's got a real nice defined hot spot on them. You can see that the beam is coming off real nicely. It's got a great beam on it. It's spitting some rain tonight, so it makes it a little tougher to cut through. Go down the road here. But it throws several hundred feet.